Hello and welcome to Life UPSC Aim UPSC. In the previous video, we learned about the strategy for making notes from newspaper for UPSC prelims examination. Now, see the strategy for making notes from the newspaper relating to UPSC mains exam. See the column which we have to look out for the making notes from it are editorial page, the option page, and the text and context page of the Hindu. Here, note that the editorial page and the option page of the Hindu are written by subject experts who have considerable experience in the particular field. So we can use the perspective and option given out by the author who have written them. See, we have to make sure that what are editorials and option page articles we are reading are directly linked with our UPSC main syllabus. If they are not, we should avoid to take notes from them. It will be completely time based. So by this way we can have an organized segmented note which we will be very useful for us when we are preparing for the mains exam. Now especially talking about GS paper 4, see, we can easily understand the ethical concept by reading the ethics books which are available in the market, but the demand of the paper is such that we need to make sure we give additional real life example when we are writing theoretical answer to the party equation of the ethics paper. For that we can use articles which are given in the Hindu. I will give you an example to make you understand about the importance of taking example from the newspaper and using it in the ethics paper. See, last year there was a column present in the Hindu. We will add value to our by doing so. We will answer this is how we have to take notes from the newspaper and use it in the mains exam. With this we have come to end of this special video. I have discussed about how to take notes from the newspaper for the UPSC civil services exam preparation. If you have like this video, please hit the like button and comment and share it with your friends for further watching more videos. Please subscribe to Life UPSC Aim UPSC YouTube channel. Thank you.